Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Wildlights plugin for Houdini. So first thing, you have to head over to the wildlightshdr.com to download the plugin, and here you just need to enter your email address to accept the EULA. You have a short version of it here, you can just read it through very easily, and then get Wildlights. It's sending you an email and you're going to download it from your email. So now if I go to my inbox, I can see that I received this email, and this will first confirm that I am the owner of this email address, and then it will start the download from here. So if I click it, it's confirming my email, and then it's downloading the file that I need. Now if I go back to my downloads and I extract the files, I can go in there. And to install this, it's very easy because this is based on the Houdini version that you have installed on your machine. Those two has to be in sync. So we first are going to go to where we have Houdini installed. So in this case on Linux, it's under HFS and in the bin folder. And here I have hython. And we're going to use hython to install this plugin. So I can just drag the installer right here, and this is exactly the same workflow on Windows, Mac or Linux. So it works exactly the same on all platforms, and here I can just hit enter. So first thing, it's going to ask you where do you want this to be installed, and I would recommend to just choose the default, so you can just hit enter, but you can also provide another path if you want to move the installation location somewhere else. Here I'm just hitting enter, and it needs the internet connection in this case because it's going to download a bunch of Python dependencies for this tool to work, and it's also going to download a model that is pre-trained, and this is exactly the model that is going to be used when you do natural language search or image similarity search. So yeah, this will take a while. While this is going, I can probably show you exactly what is being installed on your system, because one thing I really don't like is when you install a tool on your machine and you don't know where all of the files have been scattered. So in this case, it's very simple. You have like 3 spots to keep in mind. So yeah, just by the way, at the moment it's downloading the model that I was talking about. So yeah, as you can see, it's about 4 gigabytes. So in terms of the files that are installed on your machine, you have this Wildlights folder in the default location. So if you want to uninstall, you would just blast that. And then under your preferences, you have this package folder, and you also have a JSON file that will only load the plugin. And the last bit is this model that is being downloaded right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the installation to be done, and then I'm going to show you in the terminal where it's located. Okay, so now our installation is done. This is great. And yeah, the last thing is this, the model itself. So if we go in the cache folder, so this is different on each platform, but for on Linux, it's going, it's going to be saved here. So the model that we're going to use to do the inference is saved under this .cache Hugging Face. So if you want like a complete clean uninstall of Wildlights, you would delete those 3 things. But this model is currently installed in a shared location, so it can be used by other projects and not just Wildlights. Okay, so now that we're done, we can just start Houdini to check if everything is working fine. This is just an alias that I'm using, so everything fits in the recording region. Now we go to the stage. Go here. So as you can see, we have received a second email, and in this email we have our access key, and this key needs to be paired with our account for this to work. So I can just like copy that, and then going back to Houdini, typing Wildlights, and then the first thing that it's asking for is this key. I can just paste it, hit activate, and then it will launch the plugin. And as a test, I can just double click on this first HDRI. You can see it's being downloaded exactly as we expect. And here we can just look at the viewport and verify that everything is working. And I could download another one. And again, we have this other HDR, and you can see that our daily download quota is going down as expected. Okay, so that's it. yeah, as I said in the other video, this has all been tested on all platforms, so it should work on Windows, Mac and Linux, but obviously this is a first release, so I'm expecting some issues and some kinks to be ironed out. So just don't hesitate if you have any issues installing this. Just send an email through support@wildlightshdr.com and I'll do my very best to make this tool as good as possible. Thank you very much.